Forget the plastic toy cars. Forget the flat-out speed demons that break on the first curb. If you want real scale simulation, real off-road capability, and the rugged look of a legend, then you need to see this. Hey everyone, I'm your name, and welcome back to the channel. This is the ZWN MN82, a 1/12 scale pickup truck modeled after the legendary Toyota LC79. For a budget-friendly RC, the level of detail and realism here is absolutely insane. But the real question is, does this retro rig have the guts to back up that iconic look? We're taking this 4WD beast to the sand, the rocks, and the mud. Stick around. Design, scale and features. Let's talk scale. This is 1/12, so it's a great size, big enough to handle obstacles, small enough to haul in a backpack. The retro in the name isn't kidding. ZWN nailed the full-scale simulation of the LC79 pickup. Look at the details, the grille, the fender flares, the rear bed. It looks authentic. And yes, the headlights actually light up. That makes nighttime crawling seriously cool. Underneath, it's a solid 4WD chassis. This isn't just a model. It's built to perform. The remote is a basic 2.4 G4CH system, giving you full control, forward, backward, left, and right. Crucially, this truck is designed for full-scale proportional control, meaning smooth, precise movements, which is exactly what you want for technical crawling. Not just slamming the accelerator. Performance test, rock, sand, and mud ***. Host, alright, time to prove its worth. Test number 1, the rock garden. This is where simple 2WD trucks give up. But the ZWN MN82, that strong 4WD power system, just digs in. See how it finds grip. This car isn't about speed. It's a skilled car, built to challenge rugged roads. It's built for traction. Test 2, sand and mud. This is a common killer for many RC cars. The long duration of the 7.4 V/500 mAh battery ***, giving us about 25 minutes of drive time, combined with those chunky tires, allows it to power right through. It satisfies that wish to drive a truck through anything. Look, this truck performed exceptionally well in environments that would destroy most RC cars in this price bracket. It has the great strength required for true off-roading. Remember, the remote control distance is over 35 meters, which is plenty for keeping track of this beauty in the wild. Specs, battery, and what you get. Now for the critical specs. You get a 7.4 V, 500 mAh battery. As we saw, that gives you a solid 25 minutes of runtime, which is a decent session for any crawler. Charging is simple via USB, and it takes about 2 hours to fully charge up. Just look for that red charging light. The model number is the MN82. It's 1/12 scale. The car size is 36 x 15.5 x 15.5 centimeters. Everything about this build, the size, the 4WD, the robust components, is geared towards that off-road vehicle category. It's not about beating a stopwatch. It's about conquering the terrain. This isn't just for kids. This is for the hobbyist who appreciates scale realism, or anyone looking for an extremely capable RC truck without spending hundreds of dollars on a professional kit. It offers a truly satisfying driving experience, especially when navigating technical obstacles. Conclusion, pros and cons, and CTA. So, what's the verdict on the ZWN MN82 LC79? Pros, incredible scale detail, working LED lights, true 4WD capability, and excellent runtime for the price. Cons, it's not the fastest thing on the planet. But honestly, that's not what it's trying to be. If you want a fun, durable, and highly realistic RC truck that can handle just about any rugged road you throw at it, the MN82 is an absolute winner. You can find the direct purchase link in the description below. Clicking that link helps support the channel and lets me bring you more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.